Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Cursor AI in your PC and how you can create a simple project through Cursor AI, and you can actually create complex project also, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create a portfolio website, let's say, through HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript, okay? And later on you can actually convert this project into PHP project. So I will show you how you can actually install Cursor AI and how you can create project through Cursor AI. So let's go. At first, we have to install Cursor AI in our PC. To install Cursor AI, we have to go to the browser. Here in the browser, we are going to say Cursor AI download. Hit enter and you will find cursor.com, then download. Here you can see. So you can actually click here to download Cursor AI, and here you can see we have download for Windows. So we'll actually select this because we are from Windows, and here we go. Now we have to wait for some times until the download will be complete. Here you can see. So I'm going to fast forward the video. Here you can see we have successfully downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. So we are going to double click on it to install it. Now click here, I accept the agreement, then go for the next, then select the drive where you actually want to install it. I'm going to go with my default drive, and that is C drive, and then I'll click here next, then next. I'll select everything here and I'm going to click here next and then install. Here you can see preparing to install. Now we have to wait for some times to complete the installation. Here we go. Now we can actually click here finish, and if you want to launch this Cursor AI, you can actually check it. All right. And by default it checked. Here you can see. Now we can actually click here finish to start the Cursor AI. And so now we can actually sign up or log in to our account. So if you don't have any Cursor account, you can actually go for sign up. I'll go with the login. Okay, fine. Now I'll go back to the Cursor AI. Here you can see. Now you can actually import your VS Code key bindings, chat language, and let's say if you have any extension and stored there, you can actually import it. Okay, and we have set chat language and everything. Now we'll click here continue. Here we go. Now you can actually select. Now we'll say continue once again. Here we go. Now we have Cursor AI completely installed in our PC. Now we can actually open any project here at first. Let's say I want to open project here. So I'm going to click here open project and then go to this PC. And here in the web technology drive, I'm going to actually add here a folder, and I'm going to say Cursor AI tutorials. Let's say I'll add this folder here. So select folder. So this is chat box. Here we have to actually give prompt what you actually want to make. Let's say I want to say here that I want index.html file. Let's say HTML file. I'll hit enter and it will actually create index.html file for me. Now we have to check that we have the file or not. So I'll go to this PC, then web technology, and here we have Cursor AI tutorials. If I go inside it, here you can see we got index.html. Now if I open it, and here we go. We got a nice index.html page. Here you can see. Now actually what you want, basically you have to actually mention here. Now as I mentioned that I will show you by creating a portfolio website. So I'm going to actually go for the chat GPT at first, or let's say any other chatbot. Let's say we'll go for the Gemini CLI. So I'll go for the Gemini, and here we go, Google Gemini, and here we are going to ask for a prompt. So I'm going to ask for that. I'll hit enter and it will actually give me a prompt. Here you can see. So basically I don't want here tailwind CSS. I'm going to actually go with the Bootstrap. So I'm going to say here, please keep fresh HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JS only. And now it will actually give me once again a prompt. Here you can see. And you can change the prompt according to your need. Here you can see. So I'm going to actually copy this, and now I'll go back to the Cursor AI. And here I'm going to actually uh, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to paste it here, and here we go. Not here really. I'm going to say here. Yeah, here. So I'm going to click here and let's go check how it works. And in the left side, you can see that multi-page portfolio website development generating. So yeah, we have to wait for this. And here you can see it planning all the things, and you can check that it's doing all the code here for us. We just have to wait for some times to check that how actually our project will be look like. So guys, here you can see we have successfully get our project. Now let's go back to the project directory. Here you can see we have all the pages. Now let's just open it. Wow, we got nice website, right? Here you can see, and we can actually go to the project.html page also, then skill. Oh wow, and then contact. Here you can see, and here we have a minimal footer. Here you can see hire me. We can actually click here, and then we have here social links also, GitHub and LinkedIn, and then the copyright. Okay, so here we have logo also, and we have nice website, right? Yeah, you can see. So guys, this is how you can actually create your project through Cursor AI. And one more feature we have in Cursor AI, and that is, let's say if you type anything, then it will actually show you some suggestions. And then according to the suggestion, if you like the suggestion, then if you press tab, then it will complete the whole part. So that's it guys. I hope you understand. If you want more tutorial on Cursor AI, please let us know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.